Thank you. At this point, we'll call up House File 819 with Senator Zahn. Senator Zahn, do you have a subcommittee report?
Yes, I do, Mr. Chair. The subcommittee made up of myself, Senator Reichman, recommended passage. Senator Bisignano decided not to sign this.
Senator Zahn, you're now in order for opening comments.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. This bill establishes a parent's right to direct care and custody of their child in a fundamental right, that it is a fundamental right. Any infringement on this is subject to strict scrutiny. Marital status should not diminish this right. The parent is presumed to be a fit parent, and the presumption can only be overcome by clear and convincing evidence. That'll conclude my opening comments.
Are there questions or comments? Seeing none, Senator Zahn, you're in order for closing comments.
Okay, thank you. And I certainly had a conversation with Senator Bisignano as well. There are some concerns that was brought up in the subcommittee, in particular, the removal of children in a dangerous situation, as well as there's some concerns with the county attorney. I would tell you right now that, and I would tell everyone here in this chamber, that I will not move this bill if I get the opportunity on the floor until those issues are identified and there's clarification. The last thing I want to do is weaken the stance of the DHS to remove children in a terrible environment. With that said, I was disappointed in the House that when they sent this over there, they did delete a sentence that I thought was really important in regards to the right to direct the upbringing, the rearing, the associations, the care, the education, the custody, and the control of the parent's child is a parent's fundamental right. So this bill needs some help, but I do think the intent of the bill is very appropriate. And obviously, if you've studied this, there's been some cases that I think that there needs to be some clarification. But this is really important. We have to do this bill right. And I will tell you that I'm going to be working with many of you in this chamber to make sure it is right before it would ever see any floor action. With that said, I'll conclude my closing comments.
How do you wish to vote? Roll call has been called for. Secretary will call the roll.
Senator Zahn.
Aye.
Senator Zahn votes aye. Senator Garrett votes aye. Senator Kinney votes no. Senator Bisignano votes no. Senator Bolcom votes no. Did you say nay or? No. Sorry. Senator Bolton votes no. Senator Dawson votes yes. Senator Johnson votes aye. Senator Peterson votes no. Senator Reichman votes aye. Senator Schultz votes aye. Senator Shipley votes aye. Senator Sinclair votes aye. Senator Taylor votes aye. Senator Whiting votes yes. Ten ayes and 5 nays. And the bill will move to the calendar under Rule 40. Senator Zahn, I now call up House File 743. Do you have a subcommittee report?
Yes, I do, Mr. Chair. Myself, Senator Johnson, and Senator Bisignano recommends passage.
You are now in order for opening comments.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. This is a pro-adoption bill. We had the subcommittee this morning. This is something that was passed through the House. And current law requires a public defender to represent the indigent party when ordered by